In this video, I will be showing you how to create a single event page where you will show your event, the date, and about the artist. So let's get started with the event page making. Click on the new and now you can see event. Click on event and now we will be redirected to add new event page. Now let's type the event name like Sunbar 2020. Okay, let's add some description like this event is happening in India at La Okay, this is the description. You can add more description, more images like the way you want. Now let's add some featured image to this event. Let me use this as a featured image and logo. Let it be this. This is an image. We can add a date like 9 hours. Okay, 2 p.m. Facebook event page. Go for Facebook. So you have to add the event link of the Facebook. Okay, now you have to add by online book my show and add the ticket URL like I'm just adding Instagram, but please try to add the ticket buy link here and then add the artist. Okay, this is done. And that's it. If you want to add multiple artists, you can simply click on plus and add the another artist. Okay, and you can also add the photos of the artist, like this is my photo and this is the another artist. Let it be this. Save it. Choose a background like you want. You can use this or wait, let's use this for the event. Okay, next is we have to associate a location. Let's use this location. This location is, you can create a location on these places. Okay, you just have to click on add places and create a new location. Just have to add place like this, add a photo, place name, add a photo, featured image, and all the description like address, city, country, link, phone number, email, etc. And this will be present here. Let me add, okay, country India, link. Okay, that's it. Let's save it. Let's see how the event looks now. Okay, the event has been saved. Let's see the event page. So this is our event, Sunbar 2021. We can see a countdown of date by online.